Hi everyone, welcome back to another video here on Food Chain TV. Today I have a really useful tip. I'm going to show you why I freeze my flour and why you should too. The first reason to freeze flour is to prevent weevils. Now you may see weevils sometimes when you let pasta sit around for too long, it gets those little bugs inside of it. Well, that can also happen to flour. There's a potential that there's little eggs inside the flour for those weevils, and by putting the flour in the freezer for 2 weeks, you're actually killing those eggs and preventing weevils from hatching. Now the second reason that I freeze flour is to make it last a lot longer. You see, flour has actual natural oils in it, and these oils can become rancid. So regular flour inside of your cupboard or on your kitchen counter can last anywhere from 6 to 8 months before it becomes rancid. But if you put it in the freezer, you can extend the shelf life of the flour for about 2 years. And the third and most important reason why I always freeze flour is because baking is an art, but it's actually more of a science, okay? The more exact you can be with your baking recipes, the better your products will be. So, what does that have to do with freezing flour? Well, if you're in a very humid climate like I am here in Florida, flour tends to absorb a lot of humidity. And the more humidity that the flour absorbs, the heavier it gets. So now, for example, when you have a recipe that calls for, let's say, 100 grams of flour, that recipe is assuming that you're using 100 grams of dry flour. But if that flour happens to have a lot of humidity in it, it'll actually be heavier, and that'll actually mess up your measurements. So, by putting it in the freezer, because your freezer incidentally dehydrates food, not only are you keeping your flour as dry as it can possibly be, but if your flour does have some humidity in it, the freezer will actually draw some of that humidity back out of the flour and keep it as dry as possible. So if you want the best results that you can get when you're baking, always keep your flour in the freezer. Alright guys, thank you very much for watching this video. Don't forget to share this video with somebody who you think will find it helpful. And to help my channel get to 1 million followers, if you're not already subscribed, make sure you hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and leave your comments below. Thank you very much, and I will see you on the next video.